Hello guys, I'm Mariam from Blabla Marketplace, and in this video you will learn how to add your information as a user inside the platform. So by completing and setting up your user access, you will be able to connect to the client sub account and seamlessly provide your services. This walkthrough shows each step to ensure you are set up correctly to manage and deliver your app experiences. So here in the VA People section, when you create an app, we have a feature of user info where you can add your information like your first name, your last name, your email, and your password here like this. And after installing the app, when your client install this app, the your information and you will be add as a user in the agency, and after that you can provide your services inside the agencies. I hope you like this amazing feature. Thanks for watching.